guess Eastern Standard Time. The market closes in exactly 11 minutes right now, just turned 49. Kind of deciding what to do with PLTR. Before we get into the actual video though, I want to just tell you guys, like, I kind of forget that, like, this is ASMR channel. We can do other things besides whisper, like, maybe that's kind of dumb, but I was thinking about getting some, like, fuzzy mic caps so I can, like, touch the mics at the same time, you know? Thought that'd be kind of cool, but I don't know, I'm just curious. I know most of the content, actually all the content is just whispering, but it just fits this, like, what I'm doing. But yeah, anyway, just a random thought. Anyway, the main topic I want to talk about is PLTR. Actually, there's a lot of stuff moving today, but talk about this real quick. So, you know, we had that big move. This is where I bought it. Shoots up. Oh, good. Slaps down. Oh, bought some more. Shoots up. Slaps down. We already indicated 25 bucks. This line about its important level. So what did it do yesterday? It shoots up and then closes below where it shot, where it opened. Did hold that grind line. Today, what does it do? It goes up, or it opens here, goes up, gets slapped down again, now falls below this line. It's looking really weak. And today, this is intraday, so we had 1, 2, kind of 3. If you want to do in the morning, basically 4 times it tried to break out. And it just didn't want to. Then here, I guess some big buyer or big seller just sold a lot out. It's looking really weak. I don't think I want to hold this overnight. Just it doesn't seem like it's doing what it wants to do. It kind of stinks though, because we did have that big move, like 15% gain. But anyway, before we do that, check out Rocket Mortgage taking off. Yeah, I don't know if this dividend's accurate or not, but $1.11. And if you bought it like $23 or $24, like that's a big dividend, you know. So I'm not exactly sure what happened here. It's really laggy, a lot of activity going on it right now. Here's the IPO, so it's well above the IPO, you know, but yeah, it just shot up pretty crazy. What else? Yeah, I did buy some more AG, or I did buy AG, did the position 1707, so my purchase price was at. So like there, so I'm up a little bit already. Just kind of a support here, you know, we got some decent support, but the main thing is go to silver. Silver had a, you know, this is a really, let's go to a 1-year time frame. This is a really critical zone. Not like really critical, like I think this is more of a critical zone, but this is a zone where we have a lot of buying right off this level. I guess yeah, the only times it did break was right here, here, and those are all big candles. So I'm betting on it just bouncing here. If we get, let's say, like a 5% move up, AG should also move up a decent amount with that, just based on the price of silver. So I mean, I still have my other positions in EMX and MAG and everything. Yeah, all the gold miners are doing pretty well today, but I mean that's not really good, or not really what's the word I'm looking for? Like, yeah, they're doing good today, but look where they've been, so they've been getting crushed. But today they had a good day, I guess, a nice little pop. I'm still debating what I want to do with this. I got like 7 more minutes. The thing is, like, maybe just had a bad day. We had a low, so this is something too. Even though all these red candles, volume is steadily decreasing, but I feel like volume, you know, should increase right on these lines. Like people want to buy, or like around them, you know, like people want to buy it up. It's not like it's falling out of a pattern. Yeah, thing is, I feel like if I sell this, something miraculous is gonna happen, and it's gonna go shoot up all the way up, you know. I don't know if I want to get technically caught in this though, because it's already showed a lot of weakness. I don't have that much cash on hand right now. We do have, yeah, GM. This is a good trade so far, I guess. Not amazing, but it's up like 5% at one point today. So this is doing decently. Actually, CCJ is doing really well too. Oh, it's up 8% today. I don't know if I need to have this risk on this right now. Yeah. I'll come back to that in like a minute. What else did I want to look at? Oh, I kind of want to show you guys the SPY. You know, let's look at weekly candles. You know, like this. Interesting. It's just like look at this. Look at these weekly candles. Let's change a little bit. Like look how like just perfect. Like this channel kind of is almost, you know. I don't know. Maybe I just watched too many videos today about talking about the market kind of rolling over in a little sense, just because from this line, you know, we're up like 8%, let's say. I mean, I guess we did have kind of a pullback here, but like a 3% pullback's not really anything in my opinion. Oh, Tesla's down. I think this candle's whack. This candle should not be here. It's just, I assume, you guys check this out, look at this. Zoom got destroyed. It was up, yeah, 1.8%. Now it's down 8%. But, wow, that's just actually what happened. Let's go to 1 hour candles. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. Once the market, after yeah, the earnings, after market shut up and they just sold immediately off. That's pretty weak. That is really weak. What's Apple doing? That's pretty much another god market. Apple. Like tech just looks pretty weak. I guess QQ and Q, if we take a look, would be pretty weak. And I know PLTR operates in. That looks. Alright. I think just to help me sleep at night, I think I'm gonna take this position off right now. Is that the best move? Is that the move? I think it is. If I'm thinking this much about it, it does. I would hate to sell and then tomorrow, like, I'll be at my computer so I can, you know, buy or sell it again, or sell it, you know. I would just hate for this to shoot up, but this is what I'm getting, right? We get this sell off, we sold off, we try to break above, and now we're getting slapped back, but the volume isn't super strong. Sorry, I'm kind of just talking out loud my train of thoughts. I was kind of hoping it would get bought back up the last like 10 minutes of trading because that's where a lot of activity happens. I think, yeah, I'm gonna sell this, guys. Alright, I just took off my position. I think it's the right move. I'm trading off the technicals. The technicals aren't looking too hot right now. I think it gave me I think it just gave me a chance. It really stinks because it could have been a decent trade. But, I mean, it still could have been a good trade. Maybe tomorrow it pops up, but I don't really feel like taking that risk. And I guess I didn't lose like any money basically. I mean, I did lose some money, but maybe like 10 cents a share. I mean, even here it's still kind of like a buy zone, but nah, I don't like those candles. Alright, so Rocket Mortgage is still doing its thing. AMD, I want to show you guys AMD. Remember that one, or some big traders, they got March 20th, like, calls or something, that they're betting it's gonna be up to $100. So, I mean, it did sell off a lot. It's looking pretty weak, though. You know, we got that nice candle, wick moving up, but like 1, 2, 3, like basically 4 candles, this whole chunk of them. That $87 price about is pretty not significant, yeah, technically significant. So that's not looking too hot. Alright, the market just closed, so yeah. The wheat stock, HITIF, the high tide. They had earnings today. I was reading over the report a little bit. I didn't get too in depth in it. I don't know why the platform's so laggy right now. But yeah, they had earnings today. Why is this like that? That shouldn't be. I moved it. They kind of sold off. It's fine. Since their last earnings, they were already up like 300%. So I think in this position we're up. It's about here, like 20%. If we get back to like 60 cents, I think I'll add some more. But I really would like just 50 cents, you know. Maybe we get these lower prices, but yeah, I think this is just a good trade or good long-term position with the weed sector. Neo had earnings as well. They did very poorly, I guess. Not what they were expecting. I'm not sure, but yeah, they fell. But you have this big support at about 39 bucks, maybe 40 bucks to be honest. More of like a psychological level. But yeah, this actually kind of looks like Head and Shoulders, right? Got a shoulder, you got some kind of head sort of falling. Maybe you get the thing where it goes down to here, right? Retest that, comes back to here. I mean, this is very bearish, but I'm just gonna, this is what a Head and Shoulders would kind of look like. I don't really trade the pattern, but that's what it looks like to me. But yeah, I think we'll definitely see this price, and then we'll see it shoot above. That reminds me of getting back to gold and silver real quick. I don't think we're out of the water yet with, or the mud with the gold. Why is it taking so long to load my stuff? I think my internet's just really slow today. It's not even loading the lines. Alright, let's see that I'm lines. Yeah, so I think we have a little bit more to go with gold. Like, again, this $1,700. I think we see that. We just, you know, had 3 bad days in a row, so we're bound to bounce a little bit. But I still think we see like this, so I think we go here. I guess we could take this off because I was dead wrong. So maybe we see this. Hopefully it doesn't go any lower than that. SM Energy. I mean, it was on an absolute tear, and it still kind of is, but it does look like it wants to roll over a little bit. Just kind of looks like it. I hope it does because I want to buy it, but if I don't get the opportunity again, it's fine. Let's see what else happened today. Space was not too hot today. Wait, this actually fell so hard. Not really surprised they missed the earnings. I think in that other video we made, we were looking at the past earnings. Yeah, we could just do it right now. It doesn't, like, every time they have earnings, they just get, like, smoked. It gets hyped up before earnings, and once at earnings, it gets pooped on. I mean, I wouldn't trade with that ideology, but Smith and Weston, yeah. TripAdvisor, we also were watching. It kind of did. That's interesting. So again, we had this $50 right here. All right, why isn't my thing loading? We had like a $50 resistance, but it broke it, right? But then it came down, but then it gapped up. Like that's such a weird price action. Volume's interesting too. That's pretty bullish volume. Maybe actually, that's really interesting. Because usually, you know, if you want a red candle going down, and that shows, you know, like a cool off period. But this is a red candle, but it gapped kind of up, and just really weird price action actually. With volume, Bumble got slapped too. I wonder what the short interest is on this. I'm gonna look that up real quick. Use FinBiz. What is it? What are we looking at? BMBL. It doesn't say the short flow for me. Where's my thing? There it is. Yeah, laser. I forgot I was looking at this. Oh wow, a lot of stuff got hit today. Laser, Rite Aid, Roku. workhorse. What's going on with this again? Yeah, this is disastrous. Redfin. Wait, a lot of stuff got destroyed today. Wait, is it like, what a weird day in the market actually. I didn't realize that a lot of stuff fell like more than 3%. Airbnb too. Actually, I'm gonna check my investing thing. Store capital, Etsy. Damn, Caterpillar moved. Caterpillar's 215. Jeez. I think yeah, Walmart is. Wait, Walmart literally fell off a cliff. Down 10%. I mean, I would definitely maybe buy Walmart for a long-term play. I like how this is falling real hard though. I mean, that's kind of bad to say, but like, they're at 55. Are they increasing? It looks like each year, yeah, they're increasing their dividend by like a penny. Where's my phone? I was gonna do some quick math. 55. It's like $1 a share. Dividend yield's really low, but I mean, it is Walmart. They are increasing like their dividend, and I think it's a great company. But I don't know if I feel like this is one of the companies that, like, if things go south, really, or like this, the market go. Wait, this is 2016. They're 50 cents. If you increase 1 penny, that's like 2% each year. That's, I don't know. But they make a lot of money, I'm pretty sure. I gotta look more into that. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. Just wanna do kind of a little short update because I wanted to talk about PLTR. But yeah, thanks for watching everybody. I'll probably make a video tomorrow because I wanna talk about just a midweek recap, but I'm gonna try to find some more plays to see if anything's set up today and yesterday for tomorrow or for Thursday, Friday, you know. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching everybody. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Have a good night.